Hello everyone, now I will show you construct reliability and convergent validity using SmartPLS. So let us see in detail what is called construct reliability. As we already have seen that construct reliability measures the consistency of a particular construct or scale items. So by using Cronbach alpha value and composite reliability, you can determine that reliability is there or not. So Cronbach alpha actually a measure of internal consistency reliability that range from 0 to 1, so it should be higher than 0.70 to be acceptable. So it assumes equal indicator loadings. That means the indicators means the questionnaire that we are asking to measure the particular construct. It assumes that equally in the indicator loadings are equal. That means all the indicators measuring a particular construct are equal. Their factor loading are equal. On the other hand, the composite reliability is also a measure of consistency, and it does not assume equally weighted indicator loadings. And it also ranges from 0 to 1, but it should be above 0.70. Sometimes above 0.60 is acceptable if the research is exploratory in nature. But in general, we want to see that it should be higher than 0.70. So by using these two measures, we can easily assess the reliability of the construct. Then validity. So validity are of two types. One is convergent validity, another one is discriminant validity. So for convergent validity, it is the extent to which indicators of a specific construct. So for example, these are the indicators of this construct: perceived usefulness 1, 2, 3, 3 indicators converge or share a high proportion of variance in common. That means they all are measuring the same thing. That means they share a high proportion of variance. It measures the convergent validity, and convergent validity can be determined by using factor loading, or it is also called outer loading. Outer loading, it means that the correlation here, the red marked portion, this is the factor loading. Say for example, factor loading 9.941. That means among 1.941, it is a good amount. It is the correlation. That means high correlation exists between this latent variable and the items, between each variable and their associated construct. They represent absolute contribution of an indicator to its construct. Absolute contribution of a particular indicator on this construct. And average variance extracted that should be higher than 0.50. It is the variance in the observed variable. That means the amount of variance in observed variables explained by a latent construct is calculated by average variance extracted. So AVE will also help us to assess the convergent validity of a particular construct. So we will see these things for all of them. So we are going to the software, the SmartPLS. So in a SmartPLS environment, at first you need to create a new project, and here say for example I have give the name is ChatGPT, then to press create. So after pressing here, it will tell you to import the data file. So click import data, and this is the SPSS data that I will provide you. And if you have your data, then you can click the SPSS data and press open, and you will see the preliminary analysis of the data here. So you can see they have given you minimum maximum things, and you just click import. After importing the data, you can see the whole data set here, and they just gave some preliminary analysis. We do not need those because we have done the preliminary analysis using SPSS. And just going back and create model, you have to press the create model, and from here you have to choose PLS SEM. We are not doing regression process or CBSEM, we are just doing PLS SEM. And from here you again press ChatGPT basic. That means we are doing the first model, the basic model, not any moderator, mediator. If you want to create any mediator, moderator, you can press later. So gender, age, education, we do not need those. We just need PE1, PE2, PE3 and other rest of the things. So you just press your shift and press all of them. Then you bring those here. P, here P indicates that perceived enjoyment, and press enter. You will see that your latent construct has been created, and you press here, you will see that the indicators will be shifted to the left. Now I am inserting this is the perceived enjoyment, perceived usefulness. I am again bringing the items here and writing PRCIVD perceived usefulness and pressing enter, and again bringing it here. Then I need the perceived ease of use, and pressing enter and bringing perceived ease of use here. Finally the intention, bring it here and press enter, then bring the intention here. There are some functionality here, you can easily check all those. So now from the connect, I am connecting all of them. That means from the exogenous to the endogenous. So my model is almost ready. So now at first what I need to do, you can save it. So your model will be saved, and later on you can use this model again and again. And from the calculate, you have to select PLS SEM algorithm. It will help you to identify the measurement model, reliability and validity. And you will see some standard, that means default setting here. You can use the default setting, no problem. Just click start calculation and you will get the output result. So here is the output result. I mean the contents are shown here, and in the graphical output you can see these are the factor loading. And this is the value of R square. These are called path coefficients, because say for example construct, here it is shown the R square because here it is R square selected. If you want to select any other thing, it will show, you can change them from here. And if you want to change it from here, outer loadings are shown on the paths of the from the latent construct to the indicators. So you can change them from here. From the inner model, this is the inner model, these are the path coefficient, you can change them, you can give the F square and other things, but we are moving step by step. So from here, model and data, I do not need this algorithm, I do not need this, I just need the graphical output. You can copy this model from here, just right click and export as image, and clipboard I am pressing export, that means it has been copied. Now you can paste it in your Word file for the analysis chapter. And for the final result, what all the things that we will need from here. At first I need the construct reliability and validity. You have to click here. So if you click the construct reliability and validity, you will see the values of Cronbach alpha. So all the Cronbach alpha of the 4 construct above 0.70, that means the construct are reliable. And there is a composite reliability value shown here. Composite reliability value has been shown in 2 types. One is rho alpha, rho Charlie, or rho A, rho C. So you can use this one or that one. I will be using the rho C. That means all the composite reliability value above 0.70. That means in terms of reliability, my construct has got the consistency reliability. And for the the convergent validity, you have to see this average variance extracted, which should be greater than 0.50, and all the values are above 0.50. And for convergent validity, there was another measure which was called outer loading or factor loading. You will find it from here, and you can see all the items, loading of all the items associated with their respective construct above 0.708. That means convergent validity is also present here. So this is the output table, and there are many other things that we will use step by step, not at once. So we just need the outer loadings, the construct reliability and validity, this table, and the outer loading, this table, to do the convergent validity and construct reliability. From here you can export your result to Excel format and click export, and just you save the export, save here, and you will see that you will get the output like this in your Excel format. And from the Excel file you will be able to navigate and say the model has been drawn here. Here you can see the outer loading. If you click in this link, you will get the outer loadings. These are the outer loadings metrics, and you can copy it from here and you paste it to your Word document. And from here you will get your construct reliability and validity, and here is the construct reliability validity that we have seen in the software file. So by using this Excel, you can input all the necessary results to your Word document and explain. I will show you the APA format or standard data analysis report in the next video. Thank you.